In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Apple Notes history. First, we need to open the Notes app on your device. You can easily find it on your home screen. It looks like a yellow notepad icon. Once you tap on it, the app will launch and display all your notes. This is where you can access everything you've written or saved. If you have many notes, don't worry. You can scroll through them or use the search feature at the top. This step is important because it sets the foundation for accessing your notes and any recent changes you want to review. Next, locate the note you want to work with. You can either scroll through the list of notes or use the search bar to find it faster. Tapping on the note will open it for viewing and editing. Once the note is open, you will see all the content you have in there. This is crucial as it allows you to see the most recent version of your note before making any changes. Remember, accessing the right note is key to managing your edits and keeping your information organized. Now, if you want to undo recent edits, look for the Undo button in the toolbar at the top of the screen. It typically looks like an arrow curving to the left. Tap this button to reverse the last changes you made while the note is still open. You can keep tapping it to undo previous edits step by step. This function is important because it allows you to easily correct mistakes without having to rewrite everything. It saves you time and effort, ensuring your note reflects exactly what you intend to say. After you've undone the necessary changes, take a moment to review the note. Ensure that the text now appears as you want it to. Check for any additional edits you might want to make. This review is a simple yet effective way to confirm that all your adjustments are in place. It helps in maintaining the clarity and accuracy of your notes. Once you are satisfied with this review, you can proceed to the next step. Next up, if you need to recover a deleted note, navigate to the Folders section in the Notes app. You can find this option usually in the upper left corner. Tapping on Folders will show you various categories, including recently deleted. This is where all your deleted notes are stored temporarily. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. You have the chance to retrieve notes that you may have thought were permanently lost. Once you are in the recently deleted folder, browse through the list of notes. Here you will see all the notes you have deleted within the last 30 days. If you find the note you want to recover, tap on it to open. After reviewing its content, look for the option to recover it, which may appear as a button or an option in the menu. This action is crucial because it ensures you can restore important information that might have been discarded accidentally. Finally, after you recover the note, it will return to your main notes list. You might want to organize it or change its title to avoid confusion in the future. This makes sure your notes remain organized and easily accessible. Keeping track of your notes is essential for maintaining productivity and ensuring that you can always find what you need when you need it. And that concludes our tutorial on how to get Apple Notes history. Thank you for watching and happy note-taking.